Tired of project chaos and outdated information? Let's get your Basecamp projects streamlined and up-to-date. First, navigate to the Basecamp project you want to update. You can do this from your main dashboard or by searching for the project name in the search bar. To modify general project details, like the name or description, look for the three dots menu, often located in the upper right corner of the project page, and select Project Settings. Here, you can edit the project name, add a new description, or change the project's start and end dates. Click Save Changes once you're happy with the edits. To update a specific task, click on the to-do list containing the task you want to modify. Then, click on the task itself. You can now change the task name, assignee, due date, or add comments and attachments. Need to adjust a deadline? Go to the calendar section of your Basecamp project, find the event or deadline you want to change, and click and drag it to the new date. Basecamp will automatically notify everyone involved about the change. Finally, communicate updates clearly by posting an announcement in the campfire or using the message board. This ensures everyone is aware of recent changes and stays aligned. Keep project details up to date and ensure your team is always on the same page.